Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Sarah, and I'm back with you for your summer fun curbside craft. So, like our other crafts, you got a paper bag filled with crafts, and we'll look at that later. But first, I wanted to read you a story. Today, we're reading And Then Comes Summer by Tom Brenner, illustrated by Jamie Kim. When the days stretch out like a slow yawn, and leaves and grasses sparkle with dew, and the cheerful faces of Johnny jump ups jump up, then throw on flip flops and breathe the sweet air. When bumblebees bumble around in flowers, and warblers flit from tree to tree, and the air thrums with the sound of lawnmowers, then pump up your bike tires, dig out your helmet, and raise your seat. My, how you've grown! When the last class project is finished, and your cubby is cleaned of cookie crumbs and eraser bits, and end of the year hugs have been given, then swap out backpacks and notebooks for pictures and cups. When daylight pushes back bedtimes, and crickets crick crick in the evening air, and bugs as big as thumbs bang against windows, then play hide and seek until darkness wins. When stores unfurl the stars and stripes, and flags wave from porches and cars, and the whole town seems wrapped in bunting, then dress up your bike and pedal to the parade. When bands march by, left, right, and all manner of floats float past, and scouts and pioneers toss candy, then grab your blanket and watch the night explode in colorful sprays. When every day is like a Saturday, and porches and lawns and sidewalks are playgrounds, and a familiar jingle interrupts the game, then race to be the first in line. Almond fudge, please. When the dog days of summer roll around and it's so hot you're practically panting, and not even the sprinklers provide relief, then it's time to head to the lake. Roll down the window and smell the hot, dry grass. Shout your favorite songs at birds swooping across fields and ask for the millionth time, are we there yet? When the familiar sign appears at last and the silver lake winks through the trees, and old friends run to greet you. Then scramble out of the car, dash down to the beach, and swim till the sun is low and your lips are blue. And when dinner is over and stories have been told, and your fingers are sticky with marshmallow and chocolate, and the fire burns down to glimmering coals, then snuggle into your sleeping bag and plan tomorrow's adventure. The end. Okay, boys and girls, so in your bag this week, you should have gotten a beach ball. I blew mine up. A wooden photo frame, and a sticker page, which I didn't take out because that one is you just being creative and putting the stickers where you like them. For your beach ball, you're gonna want to use some markers. These are all flip-flops. So I think I want some green polka dots. For this one, markers really are what's going to work best because of the slick surface of your beach ball. And let's give it a pink flower. See, boys and girls? Very easy. And then you have your own beach ball that looks exactly how you want it to look. Your other fun craft is a wooden photo frame. Now, for the wooden frame, you have a lot of options as to what you can use. You can use markers. I'll show you what it looks like if you use markers. The markers will run a little bit just because it is wood, but it's not too bad. Let me show you how it looks when I do one. See? You can also use colored pencils, which I have here too. Let's do another one. And the colored pencils are nice because they don't run because they're pencil. So this one at the top I did with my colored pencils. And then you can also use some crayons if you have crayons at home. Let me do one on this side in crayon. Crayons also work nice because they don't run like a marker. So this one over here is my crayon. And there you go, boys and girls. You can use markers, colored pencils, or crayons, which means no matter what you have at home, you can do this craft. The wooden frame also comes with a magnet, so if you want to frame something on your fridge, you can. So you're going to peel, there's like a sticker side to this white piece, and you're going to want to stick one side to your magnet, just like that. And then there's another the other side of your white piece is also a sticker. You want to peel that off, and you're going to stick it right to the back of your photo frame and just push, and you're all done. You can just put a picture in here, and then you can hang it on your fridge or wherever you'd like. I hope you enjoyed your summer fun curbside craft, and I hope we'll see you for the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.